Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix Instagram. Please wait a few minutes before you try again. So guys, when you log in your account on Instagram app and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to go back. And guys, after this, simply you need to open your settings first. And after this, click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your phone. So guys, if already connected, then you need to click on Wi-Fi and click on forget. And guys, after this, you need to reconnect it again with your phone. And if do not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data. And guys, the second method is you need to open your settings again, scroll down, click on app management. And guys, after this, click on app list. And here you need to find Instagram. So I am finding Instagram here. You can see. So guys, simply you need to click on it and click on storage and cache and click on clear cache and clear storage. So guys, simply you need to click on OK. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. And the third method is you need to update your Instagram app. So guys, how can you update? So simply you need to open your Instagram Play Store, and guys, here you need to search Instagram. And guys, after searching it, you need to click on Instagram and you will find the option of update here. So guys, I have already updated this app, therefore I have not showing the option of update. So guys, if you have the option of update, so guys, then you need to update from here. And after doing update, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to log in your Instagram account smoothly. So guys, if still not you log in your account and facing this type of issue again and again, then guys, you need to open your settings again, scroll down, click on system, and guys, click on reset phone, and here is the option of reset Wi-Fi settings. So guys, simply you need to click on it. And guys, firstly you need to select sim1 and click on reset, and select sim2 and click on reset. And after doing both time reset, then your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.